So this $50 ATV ended up being a $50 ATV. So in the last video, we discovered it had 4 PSI compression and found the intake valve was bent and not closing all the way. If you can see that crankshaft timing gear looks like a saw blade. It's not supposed to look like that. Obviously jump time, and that's why that valve bent. So I can only imagine what the inside of this engine looks like if that's like that. So I don't think I want to put any more time or effort into this engine. So I'm not sure where I'm at with this thing. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it as is or maybe look around for a used engine. Not sure yet, but it's kind of unfortunate. I was kind of hoping to get this thing going, but you know, it's got, look at a pretty decent factory carb on it. 3,000 miles. That's where we're at. We'll just put this one aside. And I got plenty of more projects in the pipeline, so we'll just move on. All right, thanks for watching.